Did you know nature is full of crazy surprises? Here are three mind-blowing nature facts. Fact 1. Butterflies taste with their feet. Their tiny receptors help them taste the plants they land on before eating. Fact number 2. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. It's called the triple point, a rare state where all three phases of water exist together. Fact number 3. There's a fireproof tree. The bark of the giant sequoia is so thick that it protects the tree from wildfires. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more fun nature facts.